Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we are going to be starting this big one that I got, and it is called Dream of the Red Chamber Beauty. So we may just call it Red Beauty? Red Chamber Beauty? I got nothing. Yeah. But that is a very long name. So, as promised, I'm going to start up here in this corner and work my way over to the First Lady and see how all that goes. And the first color that I'm using is 890. It's kind of a dark green. So, we will start there. Oh my goodness. I could not believe this came in yesterday. I was flabbergasted. It's not the whole order. It is just part of it. So they shipped this separate. So I'm not sure when the other part will come. If I can even get the needle in there, for goodness sake. Yeah, let me pull you down so you can see what in the world is going on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I was just shocked. And then I had to practically pry the mailbox. We have like little slot, things like this that flat envelopes and letters and stuff can go in. And then if you have something bigger, it goes in the bottom. There's bigger compartments. So they gave you the key. Well, I could barely get the key to turn. So, yeah, they need a little WD-40 for that so that it'd turn a little bit better. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So yesterday, what did I do yesterday? I did go out for a brief time. It was really lovely out. It was probably in the high 50s, if not into the 60s, yesterday. But the sun was shining, the sky was blue, there were some big white fluffy clouds, but didn't do anything, and a slight breeze, so we were good. But I went out and got some chicken at the, at the truck stop where I like to get it. So got that and had that for lunch and dinner. I had like an early lunch, or late lunch, should I say. And then I had a kind of a later dinner. But yeah, it was really good. Because I haven't had any chicken for a while. And they do make the best fried chicken in town, so why not? I tried to crunch this down a bit. And I may have to still crunch it some more just to get started. I did make 2 bags for this, yeah, because the thread needed its own bag, kind of like the other big one, ladies one that I have. So that worked out. I have to buy some more bigger bags. So, everybody get past the time change? Oh yeah, why not? Let's just get it over with and on with, right? Can hardly wait for it to be dark at 5 o'clock. That ought to make my nights at work a little bit longer. So we'll see how that all goes. Don't know if we're supposed to get any precipitation or anything. I haven't read anything. So, wanted to do this before I went with my daughter. I don't know if anybody else is going to Walmart. Gotta go pick up a few things. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm glad this canvas isn't, I think it's a couple shades lighter than that great big Kitzilla that I got, the mega one. Because it's really hard to see. So this looks like it's a lot easier. And I can hardly wait to find out where all those beads go. It'll be interesting. But we won't put them on until a bit later. I haven't studied the pattern that much, so I'm not real clear on. I'm assuming that they're in their hair, you know, so we'll see. I do have a lot of other preciosa beads, those glass check beads. So I may add to or substitute, I'm not real sure. But I really don't want to put them on until it gets closer to time to put that, you know, on there. So we'll just have to wait and see. Whoops. Did have to get my needle threader out. I know I got my little girl needle threader, but I'd hate to disturb it today. I did get 2 colors out just to see how they were going to go. Oh, come on. So we'll find out here in a minute, because I'm about ready to run out of. Man, this is like the absolute worst needle. It has no point to it. We may have to get rid of it. Some people prefer the duller needle, but I kind of like the pointed end better. Pretty green once it gets down. It's more like a Christmas green. I don't know if I could just get it where it needs to be. Come on. Put that needle somewhere. And the next color is 906. We're just going to go right in between here. I didn't look to see if there was any like blossoms or anything, or if it's just leaves. I don't know. Ouch. Sorry, I ran into the... Yeah, there's some pinks in there. Well, that's a good thing. So what is everybody else working on? If you're working on something you like to work on. Yesterday, I worked on the butterfly fairy. quite a bit. That was about all I stitched on yesterday. I didn't do any beaded. Kind of giving it a break before my neck, you know, starts to go. You know how it gets. So we don't need that happening. So far it's working out. Maybe I'm just not pushing it like I would a, what do you call it, a diamond painting. And sit there for 3 or 4 hours at a time. Because that always seemed to happen. Never fails. Had to go backwards. Now we can go in the right direction. Kind of making some progress on that butterfly fairy lady. Been working in that same corner, but it goes pretty well with all those half cross stitches. I'll do like something that it's a solid cross stitch, and then I'll go and do, say, a color in the half cross stitch. And it's an 11 count too, so it just feels odd not to just get 2 strands of thread and go. Yeah. That bright green. Got to go in the other direction. It's kind of driving me batty. Go down here and kind of surround the green so you can see the green colors together. There's 2 more symbols there. So not bad. But I think the contrast will be good. I don't know where the rest of where those pink parts are. And I've just been using the book to get the symbol, just because it was a little bit easier than going through the whole canvas. Because, yeah, the symbols run along the bottom. I don't know why they do that. That just drives me batty. I guess since you have 80 some colors, wouldn't it? 86? Yeah. 86 colors in cross stitch. Full cross stitch. And the numbers down here go from 87 to 94 in beads. So, yeah. Isn't that pretty? I'm glad the colors are as bright as I expected, because they'll really pop off of this tan background. Just be gorgeous. This needle seems to be a little bit better. I didn't use the ones that came in the kit. And I really hate those beading needles. I tend to use a 28, even when I'm doing like seed beads. because those long ones are long, they're skinny, and they snap really easy. I've tried to use them in the past, and things do not go well. I'm going to have to go back and catch some of these. But I was trying to stitch and not stop and start, you know. I'll show you here in a minute. I think we're going to run out of thread here. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So I don't know what the rest of the colors are. They may be other shades of green, so we will find out. All right, guys. Well, we got it started. So enters the journey. We will see what goes from there. See, it looks awfully green right in there in that corner. So maybe there's other shades of green before you get to the little, we'll call them red flowers or whatever. All right, guys. Let me pull you down. There you go. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.